Okay, life update. Completely honest life update. I haven't uploaded on this channel in absolutely ages, but we'll do a life update. So, right now, business is it's better than it was before. It's as good as it's been in quite a while, if that makes sense. But it's not uphill right now. It's been downhill. It's been downhill for quite a while. But that's just how business is. Business goes up and down randomly, really not randomly, but it's the way the game works. Sometimes your income decreases because it's going to increase in the future. The business is just weird like that, right? But yeah, it's been down. It's not down, but it's been going downhill recently. It's still very good. It's been going downhill. That's not a concern though. The concern is like my work rate and everything like that. And I'll be completely honest, I've had a week off school this past weekend. I don't know what it is. Whenever I'm not at school, I'm just incredibly unproductive. It's like school is complete shit, and we all know this. It just takes away so much of your time, and it's a massive distraction. But I honestly really appreciate it for the fact that it gives us that pressure. It really allows me to have something to work against, if you know what I mean. And cause it's like, okay, I've got so much of my day taken up. Let's do as much as we can outside of those times and fight against it. But when you don't have that enemy, it's kind of like you can get complacent easily because you can enjoy your life too much, if that makes sense. So I appreciate school for that reason. I appreciate school for the fact that it puts the pressure on us. But also, the pressure is a bad thing in a way. But I won't be who I am without school. But again, if I could have been homeschooled from the very start, I would have. Anyway, yeah, this past week been in a rut. I'll be completely honest. Been going to bed late. I've been getting work done. I've been going on runs and stuff. It's not like I've been complete DJ. I'm still like on self improvement. Obviously, it's just I'm not. I'm not at like peak, if that makes sense. I'm not fully energized. I'm not fully into the proper self image. Yeah, if that makes sense. It's like I'm still doing self improvement. I'm still not a complete degenerate. Obviously, it's just I haven't been as it's complacency. It's that's what it's been. It's been complacency really. I'm starting to feel the effects of that. But I go back to school tomorrow, so that will be good and bad at the same time. Yeah, but yeah, that's really how it's been. And then today I went biking at Bypass Wales. I do mountain biking, and I had a really, you can probably see my hand. I had a really bad crash. Like my body's like sitting in shock from it now. Basically, I had a front. It was like really like loose, dusty conditions. Front wheel washout around a berm. So if you don't know mountain bike, a berm is like a banked turn, a banked left-hand turn. So I was turning left around this banked turn. Front wheel washed out. So the front wheel that slid out went over the top of the bank, over the top of the berm. A berm is like the word for a bank. Over the top of the berm, I slammed down into the floor. I can't remember exactly what happened, but I know I whacked my head into what I faced my head into the ground. Got like a mini concussion from that. What happened? Yes, I'll just explain it. Yeah, front wheel washed out. Obviously, I went over, slammed straight into the ground. Got back up like literally straight away. You can see on the cover. I just get up and just start sprinting in a random direction. I just sprint for maybe like 5 meters into some bushes, then collapse. And then my dad was in front of me. My dad's a pretty decent rider. He's on his downhill bike, so a better bike. And he was riding. He said he was riding fast. Like he said he was pushing himself, and I was trying to keep up with him. And I just about was. He was slowly getting away from me, but I was just about keeping up. And my friend Jacob was miles behind. But yeah, it's still recording. But yeah, I was really pushing myself for how fast I was going, and I crashed because of that. And yeah, so my dad, he he's just said he heard because I've got a really fast hub. So my bike makes a really like a buzzing sound when I ride it, basically. So he heard that stop. He didn't hear me crash. He just heard that I wasn't riding behind him because my bike makes a really loud sound. So he stopped, came back around, and he said he heard me groaning. Like he just said he just felt scared when he heard me groaning in pain, because I just, cause I just like sprinted in the bushes, collapsed, and started groaning. I'll have a clip of it, and I'll upload the clip after this. But yeah, then my friend came. He came like 10 seconds later or so. He moved. He basically not picked me up, but was like forced me to stand up and move to the other side of the trail where it was safer to sit, because obviously other people would be coming down the trail at fairly fast speeds. I was probably going like 20 kilometers an hour or something. I didn't have my watch on, so I can't check, but it probably was at least 20 kilometers an hour we were going. And falling off at that speed, it's not nice. It's not nice. And yeah, I was kind of in shock. As I said, I whacked my head on the ground. I'm pretty sure I had a mini concussion. It wasn't a full concussion, because then you just act weirdly. But I had some sort of concussion or something, man. I still feel a bit weird from it now. But my whole body, it was in just complete shock. And yeah, then I just had to sit down for a bit. Then eventually we just went home, and had to cut the day short, the riding day short, because obviously I can't ride after crashing. But if you want a full list of injuries, if I can go through it, cut up my knee, not that much, but cut up my knee, cut up, I can't be able to show you because I've got the dressing, I'll really probably cut up my whole arm here. I can show you a bit. Yeah, you can see that, that's a bit of it there. It's all up my arm there. Well, it's other than my thumb, so I definitely dislocated it and popped it back in. It might be broken, but I don't think it could be broken. Really cut my shoulders, cut my chest and abdomen a bit. You can see that there. That's not much though. Completely bruised my rectum, like tailbone and like bum area. Completely bruised that from when I ran into the bushes and then collapsed. I like twisted round and then fell backwards onto a rock. And I completely bruised up my tailbone and bum and everything. Yeah, mini concussion, and I'm still in shock from it now. My body's still showing like symptoms of shock and stuff. I had to take more ibuprofen earlier, but yeah, and it's not nice. I can't. My brain's just weird now. So that's the story of my bike crash. It was horrible. It was horrible, honestly. So much discomfort. But it's fun. It's fun crashing. Yeah, completely destroyed my shirt. Completely ripped it off. I had full face helmet on. Obviously, full face helmet, full body armor, everything all padded up. Like that is from under a knee pad. Like, I had a whole knee pad, like plastic knee pad on. Knee pad took most of it, obviously. But then what happens is it takes most of it, and then it slides out of the way because obviously it grips to the ground. And so, if I didn't have armor on, I would be in hospital right now. I would have a broken face, broken jaw, broken skull, teeth knocked out, completely dislocated arms and ribbed like shoulders and shit. I'd be fucked up if I didn't have protection. So wear protection when riding. So someone's gonna fucking clip that. But yeah, that's what happened today. Life update. And I just want to get back into work now. Summer's coming. The last 7 weeks of school now. And then summer holidays. Les grandes vacances. But yeah, that's a little life update for you right now. I'm just focusing on getting back into the grind, because I know how much I fucking love it. Just being in that like mood of, yes, I am the winner. I am Sam Middleton. I'm a fucking winner. And I hate being a little pussy version of myself. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. But I'm about to head off to bed. Yeah, bro. I keep trying to do a fucking thumbs up, but I can't. But yeah, man. That's where we're at. Just another little video journal, I guess. The little side note is like, I've had such good self-image. I've got to quote out, I've had such like good self-image for so long. I've always known, like, it sounds arrogant as fuck, and it is, yes. I've always known from the very beginning that I'm special, I'm different from most people, and you probably don't like me saying that. It probably makes you feel like I'm mean or arrogant, but I've always known it. I really have always known it. I feel like I have a big part of my success, but see, I still do have moments where I'm not as productive, and I just want to get back in the fucking beast mode of Sam. That's what I want. Let's fucking do it. Beast mode activated. But yeah, good night, bro.